common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Yeah.
Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. It's Friday. Doesn't mean much when you trade crypto, but it is Friday. Stocks will stop trading here in an hour. What's up, Dirk, Rubber Duck, Roger, JD, Anna, Lori? What's up, a Netcap? Or however you're going to pronounce that one. We've got stocks still down. NASDAQ is up after recovering major losses. Bitcoin down $64, Ethereum down 9, and Litecoin down 531. We did pick up some Ethereum overnight for the Discord, 1405, 1408, somewhere around in there. I picked the low, I would say exact to the almost to the second, within the minute of the low last night. We had bids on Bitcoin of 44,000 even. We got to 44.1, so missed that. Not liking the action really, so we'll talk about that. What's up, Bamboo, Matthew, Sir Best? So still in front of us, Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index that I constructed. Technometer's 44, 40's a buy as marked by the green arrows, so we do not have a buy there. If we look at Bitcoin USD, consolidated, Technometer again 44.55, no help. Bitcoin USDT, Technometer 44, no help. Let's go through Ethereum and Litecoin real quick. Ethereum 42, 38's a buy, 50's a sell, but don't use that mechanically. Got to use it in place of price and volume action as well. Here's Ethereum USDT 43. And we got Litecoin we're going to show. Litecoin USD 44 and Litecoin USDT 44.8. So as you can see, no help on the Technometer here. Everything's neutral, which kind of, I think, maybe tells us we're in that B wave that we're talking about. What's going on, Aaron from Maui? Nice place to be. So again, no help. Let's look at some reason those charts aren't here. Let's look at 5 minute, 1 month Bitcoin USD. You're going to see the volume is acting extremely bad down here. Ethereum breaking down a little bit, 1465. Here's Bitcoin USD Bitfinex. You can see last night's rally. Price bounced $4,000, but you can see that volume is hitting a new low as we speak. So that shows continued selling at Bitfinex. Interesting action. I mean, someone's buying that. I think institutions are buying it, but it looks like the miners are being relentless on some selling here maybe. Here's Bitcoin USD. It's going to show the same thing. Bitcoin USDT is not showing it. Same thing, you're going to see volume here. Didn't come in overnight this morning and now hitting new lows as we speak. So shitty volume action. Bitcoin USDT. Go the 1 month. It's moving in lockstep. Hold on 1 second. I got somebody online. All right, there. So you can see it's a little bit more in lockstep, so nothing to report there. But all in all, volume not acting well on this rally. Let's go back to stocks now. First screen I got to show is GDX. Let's bring it up here so you can see it better on the screen. Absolute perfect Wyckoff markings. We have been looking for a markdown. We are getting that now. Hold on a second, guys. I got the wrong chart up here. Here's the chart I wanted. Again, perfect Wyckoff markings, preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic reaction, secondary test, fall through the ice, rally back to the ice, sign of weaknesses. We've had overbought technometers. Could have added on to the shorts. I really didn't because I've been short. This has been a tiresome trade, but finally paying off. So we're short GDX by being long dust. But again, I've been expecting markdown. Everyone knows that. We're finally getting it. So that one would have made Wyckoff proud. We got TLT. I mentioned we are long TLT. Acted really bad coming into yesterday's low. We are bouncing. So higher interest rates, something's going on. That's why stocks are falling apart and crypto. So we're going to be careful. I want out of this TLT position. Probably ASAP. Don't like the way that's acting. If we look at the general stock market, here's SPY. We gave the sell a week ago Tuesday, exact day of the high. We gave it everybody on here as well. We are short the SPY by being long the SDS ETF. You can see our technometer is getting down there oversold, but price action is not good. So I think we still see lower in stocks. Doesn't mean we can't have that B-wave bounce that I talked about yesterday. We'll look at that here. Here's DIA, Diamond, Dow Jones ETF. Last 2 days got clobbered. Technometer somewhat neutral. QQQ. Technometer neutral, broke up trend as I mentioned, consolidating below it. Again, we might be working on a sideways here so we could have a rally up to the highs of yesterday or Wednesday, or we're just going to fall apart right here. It looks like, as I have warned, margin debt's too high, sentiment's too bullish, average investors too long. So now they're going to catch some wood for that. Wyckoff wave. Coming off of overbought, still at 47. So again, looks lower. Wyckoff wave growth index. Rolling over. Kind of looking like the Tesla, Amazon charts, etc. that I've been told you I'm bearish on. So it looks lower. Let's go back and look at some Elliott wave roadmaps. Ones we've been showing are still good. question was, as I showed, was the A wave done? Are we working on a B wave, or is the B wave complete? And we could be headed down to, let's say, 38, 39,000. Everybody can see that. Again, the question is whether this B wave is done or whether possibly it could do a triangle, which means it's going to work its way out here sideways for a few days. Or also it could come up here for a ABC up for the B wave. Or we're already done. And the way everything's looking, I had almost, and the weakness we're getting right now, I'm almost leaning that we've done a 1-2 of this C wave now, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's kind of my guess now. If this weakness continues right here, anything anything below 46,000 probably starts looking suspect, which would make me go more with this count, that we've got more selling coming. So we'll watch that. Ethereum we picked up at the lows I mentioned, 1405. Everything's looking good, but now again a little weakness since early this morning, so not happy with that. So now on Ethereum we've been showing, I mentioned these three yesterday, and looking a little bit more like we're in the first one, which was more what I was thinking, which means we're headed down to 1150. Still could rally strong here and get a huge rally up to above 1800, and also could still do the triangle. So no way for me to tell that yet. Volume looks bad, as I just showed. Technometer's neutral, so I'm leaning a little bit more bearish still right now. And Litecoin, same type of thing. Not sure why that didn't save. But they're all basically in the same type of thing, whether it's higher to go or whether we're doing ABC down currently. Nothing else to add there. Dow rallying some. We're down 199 after being down much lower. NASDAQ up 189. So again, I mentioned if stocks can rally here for a day or two and put in the higher B wave, probably Bitcoin would do that, which again was my thoughts at 4 a.m. when we was buying. So if we can hold here and follow the Dow up, then maybe we'll get that a day or two rally before further weakness. Let me run a disclaimer.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, got that out of the way. Trading stocks, cryptocurrencies is risky. Do your own research. Bitcoin 46,750. Again, there's my best guess unless we can hold right here right now. Let's go back and look at a couple more stock charts. Here you've got, I don't know if it'll load. Let me reload my software here. I got some type of issue. Well, some reason I got logged out. Here we go. Finally getting a bounce on some of these NASDAQs. But again, I think that'll be followed hopefully by more weakness. The 44,000 bid, I'm not sure. I might be canceling that. We will look. Here's API. This was, I believe, ARK Investments that they liked. That one's been hammered. 114 or so to 57. Amazon. Still showing some weakness, bouncing a little bit. Technometer is down at oversold, but price action is not good. Thanks, Carrie. Tesla, sideways to lower. Technometer 40.88. So still could work a little bit lower. Ethereum 1462. Damn, that's about what, 90 off the highs, I believe. Not cool. Anybody, any other stock ideas they want to look at? Otherwise, I'm going to wrap it up, probably make this one quick. I am starved. Here's GameStop. I mentioned the Technometer was overbought, showing a little bit of weakness. Not one that I mess with. Here is Penn. I remember the exact day when it was $4. I had never researched that stock. It doubled, I believe, the next day. $4. 116 now. Still looking good. There's Bitcoin, 46,550. Looking like crap. NIO. Did not get going up there at 55 when I had been mentioning it. I was not long in there, but now not good price action. One I would like to buy lower. Technometer 40.21. Coming down to as oversold as it has been, but I don't think the low's in there yet. Riot. New low today. Technometer 46. One that I think you can buy, but still a little early, I believe. Still selling here. MARA holding in a little bit better. Hopefully we'll get a little lower low in Bitcoin, and we could pick up some of these for a strong rally. You're welcome, Dirk. I don't have actually XAU in the charting software. It's not available to me. There's Bitcoin 46,460. Litecoin coming under pressure now, 171.44. Yeah, Bitcoin breaks here. Continue to drive down everything. I've been saying stocks, Bitcoin move together. Bitcoin going down is going to hurt alts as well. Do not like this action. Here's ACB. Technometer is at 39, so that one might be ready for a bounce sometime here extremely soon. Back to what probably is previous fourth wave support, so I would think you got some support here at 10 on that one. Let's go back to the crypto software. ADA keeps moving. ADA USD. New high for the move, $1.24. Technometer 43.24. Bitcoin below 46.4. So I'm going to call it quits. I got to look at a few orders here. This weakness is a little more than what I wanted. So Ethereum down to 1452. That's it. Have a good weekend. I'm going to run a couple commercials here, and then we're back at it. This is 26, so you only have a couple days here to, if you pay for Discord. So I think today we'll say if you join patreon.com/learncrypto, you will get charged 40. You will get charged 40 again March 1st. But we will go back in and refund that after it's charged. That's the best we can do. So I'd say join today, have the weekend to look around and be ready for our next buy signals. Again, you'll get charged today, again March 1, and then we'll refund March 1 so you don't get double charged so quickly. So again, run a couple commercials and I'm out of here. So appreciate the support. Yes, I manage accounts above 10,000, Hank. You're welcome, Aaron. See you, Roger. Salam. Give you a wrench. That's all I got. So have a good weekend. Bitcoin 46,260, still draining out here.
To our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.